Rejuvenate your skin overnight with rose water.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore the amazing benefits of using rose water at night. If you're looking for a natural, fragrant, and gentle product to add to your evening skincare routine, rose water might be the perfect choice.
What is rose water?
Rose water is a liquid made from rose petals and water. This natural solution is rich in antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, and is often used for its soothing, rejuvenating, and healing effects on the skin. It's been a staple in beauty routines for centuries and is still a popular choice today.
Why use rose water at night?
Using rose water at night can greatly benefit your skin. Here's why. 1. Soothing and calming. The calming properties of rose water can help to reduce skin irritation and redness, making it perfect for calming your skin before bedtime. 2. Hydration. Rose water helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin. Applying it at night allows for maximum absorption while you sleep, helping to prevent dryness and flakiness. 3. Balancing. Rose water helps to balance the skin's pH, which can improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. 4. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidants in rose water protect the skin from damage by free radicals. Nighttime application allows these antioxidants to work their magic while you rest. 5. Refreshing scent. The scent of rose water is known to have calming effects on the mind, contributing to a good night's sleep.
How to use rose water at night?
Using rose water at night is simple. 1. Cleanse your face thoroughly. 2. Apply rose water using a cotton pad or spray it directly onto your face. 3. Let it absorb into the skin, do not rinse. 4. Apply your regular moisturizer or serum. You can also mix rose water with other natural ingredients like aloe vera or glycerin for a more potent skincare solution. In conclusion, using rose water at night has a plethora of benefits, from soothing your skin to providing hydration and balance. It's a natural, gentle, and effective part of an evening skincare routine. Give rose water a try, and you might just wake up to a fresher, more radiant complexion in the morning. We hope you found this video helpful. Good night and sweet dreams.